Log visualizer on the desktop. Note: to view the logs, search for the fire pump controller and go to Details. Scroll down to Controller Logs and click on Visualize. The logs are represented in two different views: a line chart view with a right and left vertical axis and a horizontal axis, and a list view. Regardless of the view, an event will always have a date stamp, date and time, attached to it. This allows the user to analyze an event or a series of events over a period of time. Line chart view. Step 1. Choose the date stamp range. The data stamp is the horizontal axis of the line chart. Step 2. Select data for the left and right axis. Select a category and subcategory for each axis, or the left axis only. At least one subcategory must be selected. Note: categories and subcategories may vary depending on fire pump controller type, electric or diesel. Scroll down to List View. Note: the user can view 10, 25, or 50 events per page. The user can search specific events by event name or ID. The date stamp can be sorted from earliest to latest or from latest to earliest. Each event has a date stamp, an ID number, an event description, and the ability to mark that event in the line chart view.